Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. We are just gonna jump right on in from last week's Christmas spread into this week's New Year's spread. So I'm just taking the kit out of my kit planner binder. This is where I plan out all the kits that I'm going to use from week to week. I honestly have like all of 2021 already planned. I do have these like extra sheets from the Pretty Pink Co that I'm going to pull in that were like kind of perfect for this kit. But anyway, let's get into the kit. This is from Graceful Muse Paperie. It's called Hello 2021. And if you saw my haul for this kit, then you know that this was the kit that I was really excited about for playing New Year's. It was really difficult to find a New Year's kit this year. I don't really know why. I didn't really like any of the kits that were coming out. So I was really excited when Laura released this kit because it is so super soft and pretty. Love the silver foil. And yeah, just kind of fit really well with my planning aesthetic. And also, if you didn't know, I do have a coupon code for Graceful Muse Paperie. It is JustPlans1, and that will save you 15% off, as well as get my freebie. My freebie is brand new for the spring. It is rose gold foiled, and it has like a whole bunch of like functional stickers, like half boxes and flags, so you can pull those into many different spreads. It's on like it's on premium matte paper, but it's on like a light pink with creamy florals type of paper. So anyway, you can see that on Graceful Muse Paperie's Instagram account. But I will, of course, link all of my coupon codes down below, as always. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is I actually just planned. After I finished planning my Christmas spread, I just went straight on into my New Year's spread because I felt like I was on a roll, like call me butter because I'm on a roll kind of thing. And so I just thought, let's just go on with the New Year's spread, which is why I still have my purple long sleeve shirt on, which is just blowing out all the colors every time that it's on the screen, and I'm really, really sorry. I should have known about that because that actually happened to Mandy and Mandy Plans recently when she had like a black shirt on. But I honestly thought like this purple was light enough, or like it's not like a dark purple, so I didn't really think it was going to be an issue, but it obviously is, so sorry about that. Also, my nails are shitty as fuck, don't look at them. Okay. So anyway, yeah, how was everyone's New Year's? I personally was very, very excited for 2020 to end. I know that I'm not alone with that. I even in my sidebar are marked Good Riddance 2020 with that fireworks sticker from the Pretty Pink Co, and then that like clinking champagne glasses from Crafts by Towie. Because 2020 was just an all-around shitty ass year, and I'm just glad that that is over now. Yeah, won't get too into it. Obviously, there were a lot of things going on in the world, but there were a lot of things that happened personally, and it was just a trying year on so many levels, emotionally, mentally, maybe not physically. I don't know. I did turn 30 this year, so and then my body like kind of like started feeling like it was old, so maybe physically is actually something. But anyway, it was just a very, very trying year on so many levels, and I'm glad that it's over. 2021 it's been quite a whirlwind, but we'll get into that in future plan with me. So anyway, let's go on into the daily plan. So actually, you guys can see I am in my A5. Been loving that lately. On Monday the 28th, I did make some Swedish meatballs, which I am obsessed with. I also continued watching Selena the series. I pulled in a sofa chair sticker from Planning World. She actually calls that like her work from home uh, icon because there's a laptop on that sofa chair, but like come on. Well, how are you working from home on the sofa? You're definitely relaxing, bro. Okay. Oh, I also had this whole week off, which was so nice. We didn't do much. I think probably the most eventful thing this week was like going to the mall, Target, and Costco that I just marked. But anyway, it was super nice to just take the time to relax, just hang out at home, just just wind down after one of the worst years ever, um, and just take some time to ourselves. So that's exactly what I did this week. I finished The Queen's Gambit, which is what I'm marking here. I took that TV icon from Crafts by Towie. That icon is like super huge, so I feel like I can only use that icon for like long binge watching sessions. So thought that was definitely fitting there. And then what else do I want to say about this? I used the bottom washi for the bottom of the page, like the longer strip of floral. But then there was a second strip of bottom washi, which was just like these two stripes. And then I used those actually as headers. I just cut them down and put them on top of every full box this week. I was also in a huge like soup cooking thing this week. So I made some minestrone as well as some garlic bread to go along with that, and that was like bomb. I'm really happy with that minestrone soup recipe, and I actually made it like just the other night because I love it. And yeah, I mean, I think minestrone is so good because it's like yummy, but it's also like relatively healthy. There's like a shit ton of vegetables in there. You could add pasta if you wanted to. There's beans for the protein, and like you can obviously, when you make it at home, you can control like the sodium and all the spices that you're putting in there and all that. So really happy with my minestrone soup making skills lately. And while I put down the date covers for the second half of the week, I guess I'll just share since I shared on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I will tell you here. But my boyfriend and I are in the process of purchasing our home. I talked, I think, in the last Plan With Me or the one before that we were like starting the home buying process, but honestly, it like went by super fast. We like found a home, we put in an offer, the offer was accepted, and then it's just been a whirlwind since then. So you will be hearing a lot more about that in upcoming Plan With Me's. I just wanted to like tell you guys here, just to announce it, because like honestly, I didn't want to say anything until after closing, because really anything can happen between before closing. Like the whole thing could just fall through, but I'm just like so super excited. I just had to share. So yeah, that's kind of where my head has been lately. Not to make another excuse, but yeah, it's just preoccupied or occupied like my entire mind for a while. So anyway, yeah, like I said, you'll be hearing a lot more about that in upcoming Plan With Me's, and I am also planning to do, I don't know if it'll be like one or two videos, or maybe I'll make it into more of a longer series, but it's gonna kind of depend on like how I plan the content. But I do want to put out some videos about the home buying process. I'm definitely gonna do like just an overview of the process itself, and then I did ask for some questions on Instagram, so I'll be answering some of those, and then I will also just talk through kind of like my experience and any tips and advice. So I don't know if that's gonna again be in like one or two videos or more videos than that, but just either way, that is coming up, and so I hope you will find that all interesting, or I just hope it's helpful. Obviously, like everyone is going to be in a different situation, a different location, different financial positions, but I hope those videos will just be like universal to anyone looking for a house, or just like entering the home buying process, or you're just like interested in considering it. I just hope that, that information that I can provide about my experience is helpful in some kind of small little way. Okay. Oh, and if you have any questions, or you think of any questions that you'd like me to answer about that whole process, then just leave them down in the comment section below, and then I'll make sure to answer them. So anyway, I guess I'll get back into the plans. Here I am, I'm marking with a switch from a Rose & Tea Shop that I time traveled to get rid of Benedict, who was honestly like the absolute worst villager ever. So I'm talking about Animal Crossing, if you did not gather that already. But I have been trying to get rid of Benedict for a really long time, like weeks, maybe a month, maybe more than a month. I'm not really sure. But like this day I just got so fed up with him because I kept trying to like trap him, like build some fencing around him so that he like wouldn't move, so that if he ever got a thought bubble over his head, then I could easily find him rather than searching the whole island for him. But that didn't work. Apparently they can spawn outside of that fencing. So I just got so fed up with him, and I just time traveled until he had the thought bubble, like literally. So that was really exciting. I got rid of him. Um, and so here we are on New Year's Eve. I'm just using that mock pot that's from the Pretty Pink Co. I do have a coupon code for that shop. It's Justine15, to mark that we just played some fetch, and then we got some Dunkin'. That's kind of like a very standard routine that we have if we go play fetch, or if we go for like to a nearby park to have a walk. We usually stop by Dunkin', just because my boyfriend's obsessed with coffee and Dunkin', and if he's gonna get one, then I probably will too. So I also spent a lot of the day flattening most of my island. I honestly was just so fed up with it and not happy with it, so I flattened as much as I could without like moving too many structures, and that honestly takes a lot of time. I literally took most of the day flattening that island, and then we just stayed home and watched the countdown. It was really, really chill, just us two and our puppy, which was really nice and low-key and absolutely perfect. Friday was the first day of the year, so I pulled in this frame box from Harry Wright Designs, and then I put some twinkling stickers next to it. One of them is from Letters from Lay, and then the other one is from Sticky Sloth Designs. And then the Happy New Year as well as the New Year's Eve script, those are both from Rose Colored Days and Jasenia the Planner Sophisticates hand lettering. This was another day that I played Animal Crossing for a good amount of the day. So I pulled in that switch from Lilac Luna Plans. I have a coupon code for that shop. It's Justine15. And we played fetch. We also had some avocado toast. I am going to switch all of that up just because I didn't have enough room to mark what we did at night, which was we went over to my boyfriend's parents' house and we played some more Settlers of Catan. Honestly, it's so funny because his mom is really obsessed with that game. And because we have, just the regular game is 3 to 4 players, and we have typically more than 3 to 4 people. So we end up having to pair off to make teams. Like some of us will make teams. It's just so funny seeing his mom and dad play on a team together because they just butt heads so much and they just don't align on their strategy plan. And it's just been really fun, kind of listening to that. But when me and my boyfriend team up to pair off as a team, we're pretty damn good, and we usually win if we do that. So come see us at Settlers, bruh. Okay. Oh, okay. So on Thursday, I am showing you that these burger and fry stickers from Tassel Planner, which is unfortunately no longer open. These these stickers are so perfect. I love them, and whenever I can pull them into a silver foiled spread, I will, because they are just absolutely perfect. So I'm just marking that we picked up some fries from 30 Burgers. Initially, I wanted to get some empanadas from a local empanada place, but apparently they, like every year, they take the first 2 weeks of the year off. So they were closed. I was so upset because I was like really excited about empanadas. But, the seasoned fries from 30 Burgers are pretty damn good in and of themselves. So, I wasn't unhappy about that. Okay. Uh, Apparently, I played Animal Crossing all day again this day, so I layered 2 half boxes from the kit and then another Switch sticker from Rose and Tea Shop to mark that. And then at the end of the night, we did grab some boba from a local place, and I pulled in that coffee cup from Rose and Tea Shop. And that's because it actually is quite fitting for the boba that we get, which is sometimes we get this, is the hot ube latte. So the bow on the coffee cup is purple, and it also comes in like a hot drink cup because it's hot boba. Okay. Sunday, I uploaded a haul. I probably filmed and edited that too that morning, but I just wrote down that I uploaded it. That YouTube icon is from Lilac Luna Plans. I really love the size and style of that icon. I think it's pretty perfect in a lot of situations. We went again to play fetch and go on a walk. This is something that we do basically, I mean, we definitely do this every day, but obviously I'm not going to mark it every day, but if I don't have much else to plan, I'll put it in. So since this was the day before I had to return back to work, I tried to sleep early, but it just did not happen. So I did pull in this clock sticker from Paper Muse Crafts. Oh, I guess I marked this after what I'm doing at the bottom. So, so just to mark that I tried to sleep early, and then at the end of the night, again, I played a lot of Animal Crossing this day, but I was trying to find a new villager to replace. Actually, I was replacing Vesta, but I am obsessed with Judy because she's so pretty and rainbow. She's like a rainbow bear cub, and she is gorgeous. And so I went through definitely more than 10 Nook Mile tickets, but I found her. I got to an island. She had her back to me, and I just saw a kind of a rainbow colored villager, and I was like, oh my god, is that fucking Judy? And it was. And then after I realized it was Judy, I realized it was Tarantula Island. What are the odds of that? It was insane. That was the first time I had ever gotten Tarantula Island, and I found the villager that I was searching for all day. So I was screaming my head off in excitement. So yeah, this is the final spread. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.